Hello, Sudhakar, physiotherapist here, and welcome to the part 5 of the back pain self-treatment series. And this is the final part of the series. So in this video, we are going to look into the self-treatment for back pain sufferers for whom the pain goes down the leg and the leg pain is more severe than the back pain. Okay. And also, like for them, like bending over and sitting relieves their pain. On the other hand, standing and walking aggravates their pain. Okay. So standing and walking makes their leg pain worse. Sitting and bending over makes it better. So in this case, the self-treatment will be is it lying position. I will share my screen and show you. Okay, so you're going to lie on your back like this, and let me use it. So you're going to lie on your back flat. Excuse me. Okay, let me highlight it for you. So you're going to lie flat on your back, and your both your knee and your hip will be bent 90 degrees, placing it, resting your lower leg on a chair. Okay, so let me highlight it using a red color so that you can see it. So you're going to lie flat like this, and then your hip and knee is bent 90 degrees, and rest your lower leg on a chair and maintain this position for 2 minutes, and you will do 5 repetitions. And after that, you're going to reassess your pain. Your pain should be reduced than before. If that's the case, then this is the exercise for you, and you'll be doing it once every 2 hours. Okay. In case if this makes your pain worse, then you're going to stop it right away and contact your physiotherapist or the medical doctor. I hope all this 5-part series helped you. And if you need more help, please call our office and we'll be more than happy to help you. And the phone number of our office in the description. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.